up, everybody? It's DJ Ron the Mechanic here, back with another video. So yeah, finally get a chance to get back out here in the old garage, y'all. I know I'm a little late with this here. I was supposed to have done this. So today I finally get a chance to change out my Nissan emblem right here. I don't know if a lot of y'all remember a while back sometime I had changed the original one out and replaced it with this one right here. So this is a LED emblem right here. This is my old one I've been had for quite some time, and it's time to replace it. Mainly because I guess you can say the music kind of helped out with it a little bit, you know, so I had to kind of like piece it together, put it back on there. But hey, I'm about to take it off, you know, simply because hey, we got a replacement. Let's see, let me get this back open. Yes. Y'all see it? We got a replacement, y'all. Yeah. So I gotta take this bad boy down right here. Shoot. You know what? First of all, let me crack this bad boy open just to take a look at this package, man. I haven't looked on the inside of it, you know? See what's going on with this here. See what we got going on. Okay. Alright, now see on the back of the box, it kind of gives you instructions on how to hook everything up. See that? So it's pretty clear cut and dry on this one here on the installation. So let's take it out the box and okay, boom. This is what it looks like, y'all. Got the 3M on the back and look at that. Oh yes. Look at it. Look like a big old piece of jewelry on it. Oh, that look good. Yes. This is my new one. And look at my poor old one. Oh yeah. Gotta send it off to the scrap yard. Yeah, this is it right here, y'all. This is my new LED emblem. Put this camera down. There we go. Yes. So I can't wait to hook this up. All right. All right. So just to show y'all. All right. Now this old one here is already hooked up. So. Now, if I had the original emblem on here, I would actually show y'all how to take it off. Now, really, truly, the original one that comes on the back, just take like a small little flathead screwdriver or whatever or something, and you can actually just like pluck it from the top and lift it like from the bottom, and the original one should just pop on off. So just to show you a little bit. Let me see if this one is still lights up, so y'all can see what's going on. Let me turn this light on so y'all could see it a little better. Look, it ain't on. Oh, nope. She is totally out. So Nope, it's definitely not working. Oh, you know what, y'all? I think when I installed the switch for the tailpipe, I might have disconnected that one. So, hey, look, we'll find out. We should find out. Glad I did look at this. Cause I haven't been in my car in a little while. So let's see what we can see here. Let's get this figured out. Y'all bear with me. Trying to get this camera straight. Alright. So now, the way that I installed this, you know, I had to clean my little area up, and I ran my wire like right here. I ran it on through there, and I drilled a hole right in the lid, covered it up, and I went behind all the little mat behind here, and I ran the wire all the way down on this side. So it's behind here. So you know what that means. I gotta do some disconnecting over here. Really, I don't have to take the whole box out or anything. I just gotta remove this side panel over here, and that should give me a little room to get to my light back up in there. I need to check that line just to make sure that it's still working good. So yeah, let's go ahead and do that. Matter of fact, I need some more lighting up in there. Yep. It's been a while, y'all. I just had to pretty much wait a long time for to even get another one of these emblems, because I mean, it's like the very first video that I did when I installed it, it was like bam, it was out after that for a long time. So when I finally seen that one now, I'm like, oh, I gotta get it. I mean, who knows if it's gonna have any more now. Let's turn some light on up in here. There we go. Right. Okay. So I'm gonna move this out the way. Okay, so I just need to unplug that one. Let's see what we got going on. Damn, can you see I ain't got this one in snug in there pretty good. Let's see, I might not have to take anything apart. Good, don't. I'm just sitting right down in front of my woofer. Alright, I need to get up in here. This over here, get this off. I'm pretty sure that's what happened. I unplugged it and never really paid no attention to it. Ain't that fun? Pull this up. Let's see what's back here. here. Alright. Something is loose. I don't know what. If I see one that's disconnected, then I know. Okay, I got this. See what we got here. Okay. Wires right here. That's that. Alright, that right there is for my turn signal, right? So, bad boy the stuff you go through other than slaughter, you know, I tell you. A lot of diagnostics gotta be done. Okay, let's break it down. Let's see what's going on here. Okay. Alright, so got all this. Might be out altogether. Yep, it might be out. Because it's definitely not turning on. Let me check it out again, just to see. Nothing on at all on here. So let me try this switch right quick. Oh, there we go. Okay, so now I see what I did, y'all. I connected that onto the switch for my tail pipe down there. So I gotta change that up. Okay. Alright, so now I found that out. I never realized I did that. Whole time I'm thinking that this bit was still on, but it wasn't. I actually hooked it up to my switch instead. Oh boy. Some configuration back here just to figure this out, just to play around a little bit. Oh, where that wire is going. Yep, that's what I gotta do, play around with it. So hey, once I get this this wire fixed out, hey, I'm gonna be back with y'all, and then we go start on our emblem. Alright everybody, I'm back. So I got it all sorted out. So pretty much I did notice that I had this here on my switch, which I turned on and off for my tailpipe. So now I got that situated. So now I can go ahead and start taking this here off now. So yeah, it should be pretty good now. So let's just see how rough this here gonna be getting this off. I need to get my tools for this. I do not want to scratch anything up. No. Not gonna do it. Okay, it's been a minute since I had this on here. Let me see. Make sure I ain't no keys up in there. Just to make sure. Alright. Let's knock it down. See what we can get. And a good tip too. If y'all ever taking y'all emblems off your car, do not use something hard like a screwdriver or anything. Reason why, you end up scratching up your paint. Instead, look, let's go ahead and just get you some of these right here. Auto trim and molding tool kit. It just gets you one of these here. They're plastic and you won't do as much damage. This been on here a while. Alright, come on off here. Yeah, buddy. Alright. Alright, so now this is what I'm talking about. Y'all see, this is where the original emblem was. Now y'all see they got 1, 2, 3, they got 4 slots. So just to pop it, trust me, it'll easily pop off. Just get you one of these little soft little pry tools, plastic tools. With the original emblem, you can just stick it behind there and just pop it off. Easy. But in my case, see, I already had mine off already. So I'm good to go. Just gotta clean the rest of this little sticky stuff up that came off of that old one. Let me see, I need to open this trunk up. Yeah, we about to get this right. So I'm gonna take this down up underneath here. Where the wire at? I would hold the camera up so y'all can see, but I need both hands in this situation right here. There we go. Got it. Okay, y'all. So I'm gonna still hustle with the rest of this here. So clean this off. And this is coming off pretty easily. Alright, that's good. Get any old debris off. Alright, I'm good to go. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my little cleanup. Just to make sure that the area is clean. Of course, you know, I get my old alcohol and my little paper. Just to make sure that the area is good and cleaned up. Alright, I think we're good to go. Yep, we are good to go. Let that dry. About a piece. All right. So now the fun part is I'm gonna pull this here off. So I got it kind of like glued in there a little bit. Got a little something just to block, make sure didn't no water get through there. So I gotta take all that off of there and get the wiring on that. So yep, that's gonna be fun. So look, I'm gonna cut y'all off and I'm gonna get back with y'all at the beginning when I get ready to put this on there. So that way y'all can see exactly how I do that. So I'll be right back. All right, y'all, I'm back. So about to go ahead and pull this emblem out. All right. So here's the new one, and here's my old one. As you can see, it's been through a lot. So like I said, your new one, when you get it on the back, it's gonna have that 3M tape on it. So just make sure that you clean your area real good before you get ready to install it. So about to go ahead and take these little wires loose. Yep. It's a pretty easy hookup though. I mean, you got your red positive and your black negative. That's it. Alright, so what I'm about to do, see that hole that I have drilled right there? So I'm just gonna stick these wires down up in there. Just stick them down there. Alright. So I got those stuck in there. And I know where the wires are coming out at. The wires, as you can see, I got the hole drilled and they're coming out right there. So there got my wires right there. So now I just gotta hook it up, match it up. Negative, negative, positive, positive. So the reason why I'm doing it like this, so before I even stick it on now, I just want to make sure that the light is working real good. Because you don't want to put nothing on and it's not working, then you got to go through all that trouble to take it back off and all that there. So that's what I'm going to do. I'll be right back once I hook these wires up, and then we'll come back and go do the little test. Alright everybody, I'm back. So I got the wires hooked up. So here's the emblem right here. I'm gonna let it sit right up there. Hope it don't go nowhere. Alright. Just to make sure that it come on. I'm gonna turn this light off. Alright, so there's the emblem. So let's see if it works, y'all. Hey, here we go. Alright. So that's what we want to see. Okay, so we got the power. Now, I'm about to go ahead and put all this here back together. And before I do that, now just to let y'all know now, I mean, I already had my wire already ran already. So if you're starting over from scratch, you pretty much have to do the same thing like I had to do. Take your lining off your trunk lead, and find a good empty spot somewhere on your trunk. And once you find that good spot, then you can go ahead and drill your hole. Most likely, like I did, I went behind the license plate so that way it'd be hid and everything. But once you find your hole, then you can go ahead and run your wire. Now, when you run your wire, now you gotta make sure that you trace it along to where your factory wire is going. And you'll know if you see a factory loom like this on the side of your trunk lid. Okay, what I did, I traced this whole entire line right here. All I did was just zip tie my wire coming from that the LED emblem that I added on. I traced the whole entire line all the way to the inside of the trunk. So that way, when I get ready to shut the trunk door, all that'll stay in place, and I still have plenty of slack up in there to where it won't come apart. So then that's when you get inside your trunk then and kind of like pull back your carpet, whatever, and you'll have to pull off your tail light, get your multimeter, whatever, or something, and test to see which line is which one has the power that turns on and off with your switch. Once you find that, then you're good to go. Go ahead and tie that wire together and go ahead and then put your ground somewhere with some clean metal. Make sure you scrape your paint off. Then you'll be good to go with that. It's just that simple. So, and no, you're not gonna tear up nothing unless you just want to tear up something, but it's just that easy, y'all. That's how I ran mine. Like I said, I got it running the same route just like the factory loom is. Same way. So yep, yeah, as you can see, I got that sound deadening on here, that kill mat. Yes. So now that I got that together, let me go ahead and put this back here. I took this apart just so I could get behind there. That's my switch. Alright, there we go. I can put all that back together now. I am through with that, because everything is working. Come back to it. Whoop. Let me ease this bad boy down. Alright. I have to ease it down now. Make sure that nothing fall apart. Alright. set y'all down again. Alright, let me do one more test just to make sure that it's on. Alright, we lit up good. Okay, so now my area is all cleaned up. Where's my microfiber towel? Make sure I don't have no dust on there. Yeah, all cleaned up. So now it's time to go ahead and install it. So all you gonna do is, you see this, get y'all a little closer. And pretty much all you gonna do, you're gonna take this 3M tape off. Ooh, that light kind of killing over there. That ain't too bad for y'all to see, but we're gonna take this 3M tape off. Easily peel that. See how it peels off easily? Just like that. And now we getting ready to go ahead and put it on now. Let me see. I'll leave that right there. I need to get a little room so I can make sure I can square it up just how I want it. Alright, make sure y'all can see real good. Aim it up a little bit. Alright, now I can go ahead and do my thing now. So I want it to be like right there. There we go. Boom. Top part up there. Not at all. Just want to make sure that emblem is on there. There we go. Alright, tell me what y'all think. You see that? Long pretty good. Pop this in front real quick. Alright. Now my last one I had it kind of hanging a little bit over, but this time, hey look, I decided to take it up a little notch there. Press it on there. So now all I gotta do now is just tighten this here up on the wire connection. Which I'm gonna do the same thing. Put my little adhesive tape that's waterproof. Cover that up and have it tied up underneath there. This could be good to go. So yeah, hey, that is it, y'all. Pretty much for installing it. So we'll cut the light off and we will try it one more time. Yep, there we go. It's all lit up. Y'all see that? Looks good there. So let's pull back in. Tail lights on. Got the emblem looking good. And of course, you know, I got that light right up there at the top. Yep. Like I said, we are good to go now. Yeah. it, y'all. So that is it. The emblem is installed on there. Power wire ran, everything connected. So it looks good. Now I'm gonna tell y'all this too. So whenever you need to like wipe it off, whatever, do not use any of those chrome chemicals or whatever. Some that stuff like for chrome clean or whatever. Let's see. Yeah, cause I accidentally had did that on my. This is my old one right here. I accidentally did it on this one, and it ate some of the chrome off. So yeah, I was like, oh no, I can't do that again. So yeah, this is my old one. Just put it up. But yeah, there it is, y'all. The new one installed. So like I was saying, if you need to clean it off, just get you a clean microfiber towel and just wipe it off. That's pretty much it. That is it. Just wipe it off. Look, it's good to go. Alright, so I know this one here is long overdue. I've been had a lot of people that ask me for to show them how I installed the light and everything. So that is it, y'all. That's how I did it. Like I said, you just gotta make sure that you tap into your tail light and make sure you use your multimeter so that way you can test the wire to see which has power and which one don't. And tighten everything up, baby. You good to go. So that is it. So I'm gonna go ahead and just tighten this up here, you know, straighten it up a little bit, and finish my lining on the trunk. Take care of that, clean it up some. Hey, that is it, y'all. I am done with it. So, hey, this DJ Ron the Mechanic here. Make sure y'all like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel, and make sure you hit that notification bell so that way you'll be notified whenever I drop a new video. So, hey, look, I hope this helped all the ones out that has a Nissan and want to replace the emblem and get one of those light up ones. I hope that helped y'all out. And tell me what you think about it. You know, leave a comment. Hey, you know, I'll try to help you out as much as I can. You know, give you a little advice on it. So look, appreciate it, and appreciate all my new subscribers and all my old subscribers. Thank you for rocking with me. Hey, 2023, hey, we going up with it. You know what I mean? So like I said, I'm going to clean up the rest of this here, little knick-knack stuff. Hey, I am done with it. And you know, like I say, on to the next project, y'all. And I think y'all know what that is. Ooh, we'll get back with that. That'd be something else next. But hey, look, this is DJ Ron the Mechanic. Hey, I am out. See you on the next one.